Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon Fire TV how to turn off subtitles. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to turn off subtitles on Amazon Fire TV, the first method that you can use is turn off while watching. So simply head over and start playing a movie or show, then press menu on your remote or up on the Fire TV remote and select subtitles or CC, and then choose the option to off and the subtitles stops immediately. The next method is turn off from Fire settings. Simply head over and tap on the settings icon or select the settings icon from the top right corner of this Fire TV home screen and then select accessibility. Once you're inside your accessibility, you will find an option that is closed captions. Simply select that, and once you select it, to the off, please disable subtitles system-wide. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.